Hey guys, need your help on something. So I just purchased this. It's from a reputable dealer on Reverb. So I actually purchased this brand new. It's an IdiotBox No Moon. So it basically has a big muff on the left side, rat on the right side, and a tube screamer in the middle. And one thing I noticed, I just got this today, took it out, plugged it in, and it has a terrible popping sound when you engage the big muff and the rat. And you can hear it now. Like my amp is actually relatively quiet. And so here it goes. Hear that big pop? Same thing with the rat side. Maybe even a little bit more audible. Tube screamer in the middle doesn't really seem to do much of anything. And this is with my volume on my guitar turned off. I can give myself a little bit of volume, and I think you can still hear an audible pop. Volume down on the guitar. So I sent the guy a message, and basically he says, oh, well, that's just the way that the circuit's designed. You know, big muff circuits will do that. Rat circuits as well, like anything that's high gain. And one of the things he said, he's like, you might want to check your gear to make sure you're using like decent pedals. I mean, I have a trip light. I have a trip light plug bar that I basically use, surge protector plug bar. I mean, I have a a Voodoo Lab, pedal power plus. I'm actually using a legitimate Boss power adapter to power this pedal. So my question is he just kind of feeding me a line of bull? Or is this really is it just maybe part of the design of the pedal? I've never owned a pedal like this that was like, 3 pedals in one or 2 pedals in one that were running in parallel. So I don't know if maybe that's the issue, but I just wouldn't think that you would get a pop like that. And plus, it's really annoying every single time I use it. So let me know, guys. Let me know if maybe I need to push back on this guy and get a replacement. All right, thank you. Bye.